This is another tutorial on how to trade with AI automated bots and also on how to copy trade. So we'll be dealing with two things, trading with automated bots and how to copy trade. If you want free classes, make sure you click the link in my bio, join my free classes, and if you comment in my videos anything, you get a chance to get free capital. So this is where you get your automated bots, and for free you get them at runquilly.com. Make sure you search that in your browser. You register your account if it is new, you are new, and if you are returning, you just log in. So we get to automated bots, and I'll click on trading bots. So we'll start by me setting my bot, and I start trading. Then I'll share the link so that you can copy trade. You can see I had analyzed the bot here, going for 2 hours. It is momentum pro bot, and the minimum for this is 200 USDTs, and the maximum is 210,000 USDTs. That's the capital. Profit margin is 400 in profits, and loss margin is 32. So that means we'll be running at a profit of around 368, if I'm not wrong in math. And the people who are using this bot right now are 246.0k. So that there are a lot of people, so we get in also, and our trading capital will be 200. Remember, you can do more. Make sure you watch this video to the end and see how people are serious. People will tend to do up to 100,000, up to 1,000, and even outshine me. So for this one, let me set my take profit, which I'll set at 380 percent, and my loss margin to be at 30%. So I start my bot, then I share the link or the code for copy trading. Remember, we are using automated bots, my guys. We are using automated bots, and we can check the logs. In seconds, we've already made 5.4698 USDTs in profit. You can see here. And I told you we'll be having 3 sessions for copy trading. That is 10 a.m. East African time, 1600 hours, that's 4 p.m., and 10 p.m. again. So far we have two logs here. That is profit, loss. So you don't just have to worry about these bots in RunQuilly. They are very good, and you can't hit. If it is set to be in profit, you will run in profit, and you can see the recovery here. The PNL now it is at 11.27 with this momentum pro bot. So let's go and check the remaining time so that I share the link on WhatsApp, so that I'll share not the link but the code on WhatsApp. You can see 1 hour 58 minutes remaining, 2 wins and 2 losses. The PNL is 7.5, and let me go back and show you. The current is 204. So let me share copy trading here. This is how you copy your trade. So I'll just come here, share, because my trade is running. Remember, if you are a pro also, you can be sharing this code and people copy trade and pay you. That's how we get this. So you'll come and click on enter, click here, then you copy trade, you set amount and whatever. So let me go share the link in WhatsApp so that you people can copy trade. So as you can see, I shared in less than seconds, and we have a Kenyan here with 125. Let me just approve, guy. Yeah, that's is approved. And this one 1,838. 1,058, 158. I told you people will do crazy amounts. Let me just approve all so that you guys can trade. You see this one, 228,000. You see that? This one 116 approved, 142 approved, 1,287. I'll approve that. You can see the requests, and this is only WhatsApp 87, and so on and so forth. I think I should post this on TikTok right now, so that if you get it, you just copy the code. It will be on comment section, so that you can copy trade. And also I want to post it on Telegram. You can see the history. Today we did trade with Spark Engine 224. I approved 224. Right now 16 joined. Flashbot 42. Those are few days ago. So the more I approve here, let me show you something so that you don't see that it is cooked data. The more I approve, you get it here, and we also get it in history. You can see now 19 approved. So if you haven't started copy trading or you haven't started trading with automated bots, I'll ask you one question. What are you waiting for? And it is free. So maybe next month I'll start charging. Let's get to it.